RigExpert has a full new line of products coming out, one of them being a power supply, the ShackMaster 500, a 35 amp power supply. Let's take a look. Now we're back over here at the camera. We're going to unbox the RigExpert ShackMaster Power 500. It's made in Ukraine, and you can see I'm just unboxing the very first time here actually, other than pulling it out of the box, of the cardboard box it came in, shipped from Gigaparts. And you get your registration number here. You can go online and register it. You get your instruction manual with it. And then we got the power supply itself. On the front of that, you'll see that we've got two USB-A's, two USB-C's, two PowerPole ports right here on the front. You'll have your display. We'll turn that on and look at that in a minute here. And then on the back, we've got the banana clips, so you can do some ring terminals with two power poles, your on and off switch, our power supply to AC, and of course the USB-C port again on the back. And that will be what this cable here is for. We'll connect to that and connect that to a computer, and we'll try and show you what that looks like as well. Again, in this, you've got the power supply. You've got some little rubber feet you can mount to the bottom of this. And then in the bottom of this also is like a little stand that you can use to mount this thing on its side. And we can mount it and have it stand on its side like this. So you can see it if you want to display it, maybe take up less desk room. It's easy to, more slim fit and a little bit smaller, easier to do. So this thing's got a lot of power ports to it, both USB A and C, along with the power poles, and I think that's just phenomenal. So that is the quick unboxing of the RigExpert 500 here, and let's take a look now what it looks like once we get it powered up. So here we are again. Now we're back here with the RigMaster ShackMaster Power 500. We've got it powered up, and we can swipe up to switch on. Let's see which way I got. There we go. Now it's going to power on. Tells you the serial number. You get your total number of watts, your amps, your power, your volts, and your amps again. Your auxiliary ports, 5 volts, no amps against that. Your site, 124 volts coming in, 70 degrees at 59.9 hertz. And again, you're back to your main screen. Pretty easy menu to maneuver through. And then you can hit swipe to swipe off. You can do that either way if you want. That works just the same. Again, just scroll through the menu or scroll back through if you want to monitor any of these particular. If not, it'll just go to a standby time showing the time on your rig, and looks like it was all in UTC time. The other thing is, I like that it's got the little stand here with it. I think I mentioned this earlier, but literally put it on the stand, takes up very little landscape of space on your desktop versus having to lay something flat and taking up a lot more space. So easy to access, easy to read, and just a great overall power supply. But it's one that it comes with a little bit of a price. Anyway, here is the RigExpert ShackMaster Power 500.